guys, welcome to Heather's Treasures. Today we're going to work on the refrigerator, but I wanted to tell you first, I got this off of Hobby Lobby, this kitchen set, and I promptly tore it apart because this set here doesn't fit. It came with little gouges of paint, so I'm going to sand down the sides. Anyway, I got this off of Amazon. It is stainless steel. It's sticky backed, and it comes in copper and textures. For today's tools, I don't think I'm going to need much of anything but a ruler, some kind of a cutting utensil. You can use scissors if you want. I'm assuming this is like a vinyl. Yeah, it's just paper thin, but it looks just like stainless steel. So I have to decide if I want the lines in the stainless steel to be vertical. I think vertical. So now I got that cut. Now I need to get some sanding paper here really quick. I just got some 320 grit here. That's all I could find. Oh, I was going to show you. Look how cute. Got little drawers for vegetables, crispers. Going to wipe off any oil, residual oil, and dust particles. Now I'm going to very carefully just score paper. And now I'm burnishing it. Oh, I lost my hinge. Well, that's all right. That looks pretty cool so far. Okay, so now we need to do the door. I'm having a bit of a do-over, guys. I did not like the way it turned out. I tried, when I wrapped this around the edge, it would not stick. So I tried super glue, that didn't work. Then I tried E6000, that didn't work. So then I tried contact cement, and that seemed to work, but it was still pulling away right here. So I just cut out some new pieces, and I made them wider. And we'll wrap them around so that they have a flat surface to connect to. Then I went back and I painted this again, and I sealed it with Valspar. It's a spray varnish. It's just a clear satin. And that's drying. So now what I want to do is take this and lay it right here to get it nice and even. And we'll lay it out, and I'm going to score it kind of down the middle here with just a straight pin. Get that glue residue off there. This has got alcohol on it. It comes right off. Give this a good burnish. Oh, you know what would be really cute? I just had an idea. We'll make little polymer clay magnets to stick on the fridge. All right, now we're going to do the bottom. Same way. Okay, now, I don't like this, so we're going to trim this all down. Now, instead of doing this, you could take a piece of the stainless steel and cover the entire thing. Then the whole entire inside of the door would be stainless steel. Okay, now let's see if we can put this door back on. Oh, shoot. Okay, I got it out, and I got a straight pin in there. And now that it's in there, I'm going to leave it. So I'm going to just give that a good shove. And I'm going to take my cutters here. There we go. And we have a lovely stainless steel fridge. Let's put it in the kitchen and see what it looks like. Okay, now I'm going to put it right here next to the window because that's the only place that it will fit, and it still juts out a little bit. And it's not level, so I'm going to have to put some shims in there. Put some kind of a shim in there to get it to sit level so the door will sit shut. Well, so what I'll do is I'll get some kind of a magnet, put it in here somewhere, and then put one on the door so that it'll stay shut. But there it is, a stainless steel fridge. Isn't that cute? I wish I would have had the brains to make it myself, but I just didn't. I don't know. Maybe in the future I will. But right now, my mind just, couldn't wrap my head around all those little drawers and stuff like that. I know if I'd had time, I would have been able to figure it out, but I wanted to get a video out every week. So there's the fridge, guys. Slow, so slow. I'm slow as a turtle. I hope you enjoyed this, and look for that contact paper. It's so cool. It's on Amazon. If I can remember, I'll go get the link to it and put it in the description box. Thanks so much for joining me. I really appreciate you guys stopping in and watching and spending your time with me. So till next time, love you. Bye bye.